Welcome to IBC 2023. Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models, and network with over 170 countries. Exploring groundbreaking innovation across 13 halls, right here in Amsterdam. Ashley with InBroadcast, joining me is Joao Neto of VoiceInteraction. Great to see you. So AI is everywhere these days. VoiceInteraction celebrating 15 years in AI and speech technology here at IBC. What are you showcasing this year?
We have our solution for automatic closed captioning and also in terms of transcription workflows. Okay? Basically, we are looking to the fact that we have been increasing the number of language. We are basically working with more than 40 languages at this moment. And also we have been adding the translation process, okay? And basically the idea is transcribing in one language, but making the translation to a different language and enhance this kind of feature. We've been also working in terms of media monitoring systems, and basically we have different kind of features in terms of knowledge discovery.
And now, one of the key topics at the show is AI content personalization. How can VoiceInteraction help with this?
Basically, we are going in two different trends. One is the fact that we are doing the transcription using AI tools, and that makes this kind of content very accessible. Okay? And the second one is what we are doing in terms of media monitoring. And basically, for example, we have been working with MediaCorp in Singapore, and what we have done is the fact that you pick the news blocks and we divide that by segments. That means you can, on top of this content, you can do some kind of personalization of the content. You can look to the users and see how they can have access exactly to the content they are looking for.
And can you tell us about MediaCorp's use case and what that means for broadcasters?
The case of MediaCorp is very interesting in the way they are doing. The fact that just pick the different news blogs and they want to make this available on the internet. Okay, basically is the concept between the line, the line broadcast and the offline. That means you can have some content that you are looking on demand. Okay? And what they are doing is just picking the live shows they are producing, and using our technology from media monitoring, they are dividing the content and they are putting this offline. That means on the social media, okay? Can be YouTube or other means. And they are using this kind of personalization to the users, and they can do some different monetization of the content, okay? That means if you are working with the live content, that means you see or not, okay? And when you are putting on this kind of different platforms, that means the content is still live, okay? And basically they have been spending a lot of time manually doing this kind of clipping, and with our system, they can make it automatically, okay? That means the editors that is doing this kind of jobs, now they have more time to do other things which are a little bit more smart of that. And using this information they are providing to the users in the best way, in a more platform independent way, and they can also doing some roads in terms of monetization of the content.
Very nice. Well, thank you so much for that information. We're going to now talk to one of your colleagues. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are now here with Renato Casaca, VoiceInteraction CTO. So still on the topic of artificial intelligence, how does VoiceInteraction leverage this technology for closed captions?
What we are doing is we are applying the best technologies that are available right now to make sure that we deliver to our customers the maximum accuracy, leveraging all the technologies that are now new in the field.
Broadcasters are moving to IP-based production. It's a big shift. How does your captioning platform help in this transition?
What we are trying to do is creating native IP streams where we are able to distribute the IP streams directly to broadcasters' multiplexer, bypassing the need of relying on third-party hardware.
Very nice. So thank you so much, Renato. We are back with VoiceInteraction CEO João Neto for a final question. 15 years of AI speech technology is very impressive. So looking ahead, what's the roadmap for VoiceInteraction in the media and broadcasting industry?
What we have been doing is developing the AI technology in different models, okay? Both in terms of the transcription, okay, but also in terms of the use that we do to data. Natural language processing, the fact that you can do some capitalization punctuation, but also in terms of looking to the content, okay? What we do in terms of title, summarization, and looking to all that kind of knowledge that is in some way hidden on this information. And basically what we're looking for is the fact that we can explore these technologies on the media and broadcast and bringing all this information to the TV stations in order that they can empower their information because they have a lot of content, and what we want to do is to creating some ways to explore all this kind of content.
Very nice. Well, it's always a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.